What's up, y'all, and welcome back to Halfway Kicks. I go by the name of AJ, and you can find me on IG at ArnettJason.
My name is Bendo. Find me on IG, JBendo15. Also follow our Instagram page, halfway_kicks.
If you're new to the channel, what we do here is unboxing videos. We do reviews. We talk about fashion. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and comment down below.
What do we got today?
What do we have here today?
We have the AiR Jordan One Pollen. You seen them before?
I have not seen these shoes. I've seen them on our IG page, but I have not seen these in person. But I am a big fan of the AiR Jordan 1.
All right, so I was able to do the reserve. Was able to get through in Santa Monica, so when I go pick them up, and the box is fire.
The box is really nice.
The box,
I'm really glad they didn't go with the traditional black and red.
might be the best feature of the shoe.
Probably. Yeah. Same color as our Halfway Kicks.
The logo matches the product.
I'm saying.
All right, so here you go.
Because, ooh. These are a lot sexier in person.
Yeah, I'm glad they didn't do the mids on these.
These are nice, dude.
You know.
Okay, I want them now.
So the accent, the leather.
That fresh leather smell.
I've been waiting for them to do a colorway like this, because they did it on the mids, and I am so sorry, but it does not look right on mids. The leather's A1, feel me? You know, can't never go wrong. And with the Jordan 1s anyway, you're probably gonna wear them out, get that destroyed look on them.
Yep.
It might even look better that way.
The nice thing about the AiR Jordan 1s is they don't seem to go out of style.
Yeah.
Like ever.
You can age them, wear them as long as the soles don't come off.
These are kind of similar to the Old Love, New Love.
Yeah. Those are mids though.
Those are mids, and I think the yellow is a little bit brighter.
A little bit brighter. The pollen. They got extra white laces, white and black laces.
Yeah. So let me take these out so you can see. It came with the black and the white. What you thinking? You gonna leave these yellow ones on here?
I'm gonna go with the black because I tend to wear a lot of black anyway. Okay. Probably never gonna use the white laces.
Yeah, I don't know why they get white laces.
They should always just come with the white laces on them, so we can just take them off.
Yeah.
But
these are fire, bro. I like these a lot. You know, again, I only saw them on our IG page, but in person, these are fire. I would wear these for sure.
Yeah, resale, I think they're going, retail is $170. They're probably going to about like $250, $260.
Yeah, AiR Jordan 1s, they hold value.
Yeah.
They hold their value.
Yeah. They're kind of simple too, you know, not too much going on.
No, you know what? I like the yellow that they put on this. It's like, it's not too vibrant, so it's not too flashy. It's kind of got a subtle look to it, even though it's yellow. I think these look nice, man. I think there's many different ways you could rock these.
Especially living in LA, you know, you got the Lakers. I see a lot of people wearing these with the Laker jersey when the seasons come back on. And shout out to Russell Westbrook.
Russell Westbrook.
But we gonna leave that on a different episode once the season come back on.
Yeah.
So let us know what you think in the comment.
Yeah, comment down below if you're a fan of these, if you were able to snag you a pair, or if you're even willing to pay retail or resale for one of these AiR Jordan 1 Pollen. I think that might be it for this video. Of course, you're going to see a little bit of B-roll footage and detailed shots of the shoe. But don't forget to follow our Instagram page at halfway_kicks so you can see some of the photos that we upload and get updates on us. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.
I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me up fold. I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what?
Oh, I see what you're saying about the... What was that? Farted.
Yeah.
How long did it say for food?
30 minutes. Probably like 15 minutes. He'll be here.
Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma